My name is Chad Morgan. I'm a neurosurgeon for Cox Health and Springfield Neurological and Spine Institute. My training, I started medical school at the University of Kansas and then went on to the Mayfield Clinic in Cincinnati for my residency and fellowship, and have been here in Springfield for now 15 years. As a neurosurgeon, we specialize in the surgical treatment of anything that has to do with the brain, spinal cord, or peripheral nerves. We each have a specialty interest, but in general, that's our surgical interest. It has a lot of satisfaction both from a technical aspect and then relationships with the families and the patients of the families. We really get to know them quite well, as you might imagine. These are pretty important moments in the lives of these patients and families, and it's nice to be that person that they rely upon. What I like about my work is the surgical aspect. The technical aspect is very challenging, but really it's also getting to know the patients and the families. These are critical times, as you might imagine, in their lives, and to be able to step in at that moment and provide them with hopefully, the least amount of pain and fear as they go through these surgical procedures is really rewarding. I became interested in this specialty very early on in medical school with a neuroanatomy class that was taught by a neurosurgeon, and then gravitated towards the field, started to spend more time with the neurosurgeons at my institution, and knew that that's what I wanted to do. I chose Springfield and Cox Health looking really all across the Midwest. I was in Cincinnati and knew I wanted to stay in the Midwest. I grew up in Kansas and my wife is from Nebraska. So as we looked around, really found this group early on and really enjoyed the partners and the practice. And as I got to know them more and more, I knew that this was the place that I wanted to be, and really, never regretted it. It's been fantastic. My hobbies are largely being, with my family. We're pretty active, so we are at the lake pretty often at Table Rock, and we enjoy going to the mountains and snowboarding and being together as a family.